How to make Claude code 10 times better in one single click. So basically what we're looking at today is this GitHub for Claude code templates. You get a bunch of templates, for example, for agents, commands, MCPs. You can even create these visual dashboards, kind of like a mission control, directly for Claude code. We're going to be running this today and getting it set up. There was a competition with Claude recently, and the winner of that competition actually created this GitHub. So I'm pretty excited to try it out, and we'll test it out today. It's called Claude Code Templates on GitHub, and it's free to install. Right? So what we're going to do over here is we're going to grab the GitHub repository. Then we are going to go to our terminal and start running Claude. Once you've got Claude running, I'm going to install this. Now, the main thing I would say here is, like, if you're thinking about installing, any external skills to Claude Code or OpenClaw or that sort of thing, check it all yourself. Check the skill MD files. Run these skill MD files through Claude first. I install this stuff because it's fun. Sometimes not all of these skills are secure, so you just need to be careful before you install anything, which is why I'm telling you right now how to do that. So we're going to go inside the terminal and say install this. Now you can actually browse all the templates over here, including an interactive web interface, right? So you can see over here we have a list of all the skills that we can add to this. So for example, like front end skill creator, senior front end, senior architect, etc. The main point of this is, like, once you install this, you can basically add a ton of skills to Claude Code that just make it way more powerful than it was before, including adding this visual dashboard. So if you want to run the actual visual agent teams workflow, which you can see right here, this tweet from Daniel San, then what we're going to do is take this prompt like so. And we can just run that inside Claude Code, like you can see. So it's just a one-click setup. Now you can see inside the website itself, we now have this agent team set up, right? So it ran and set up agent teams, as you can see over here. And then you just need to select a session to view the details, right? So it's beginning to build out the agent teams workflow. And then we'll get a visual dashboard where we can see the sessions, we can see what's running, we can see what's working in the background with Claude Code, so that we can visualize and manage everything. The main thing is, like, if you're just using the terminal or you're using the CLI to code with Claude Code, you just don't get the same visual information. It's much harder to understand what's going on than if you use something like Agent Teams, where you can select a session, view the details, and configure it and organize it really nicely. Now, if we have a look through here as well, we've got agents. So these are all the agents you can install directly here. There's some other cool stuff as well, like Claude Code Analytics. You can monitor your AI-powered development sessions in real time. You can track the performance. We've got Claude Code Health Check as well, which just makes sure it's optimized for decoding. You've got the plugin dashboard, Claude Conversation Monitor, etc. Some of these say Claude Opus 4.1 in the description, but it will automatically work for Claude Opus 4.6 and anything else you use. Now, if we go back to Agent Teams now, we've got this running locally, as you can see. I think some stuff that would be really good, particularly for me, for example, would be like the search specialist. So for example, with this skill, you can just copy this command and then you can install it directly to Claude Code directly. So let's say, for example, there's something like this. Well, I can click on view details, see how many people have downloaded it. I can view it on GitHub. I can have a look at the actual search specialist. Then we can copy that link, insert it into Claude Code, and we're good to go. That's how easy and simple it is to set up. There's even some pretty cool stuff like a podcast creator team. So if you wanted to automate podcasts, you can use this stuff where you can find like the trends, orchestrate episodes, research, and optimize the podcast itself for SEO as well, which is pretty amazing. What else we got here? We got marketing skills, so like the product strategist, content marketer, business analyst, etc. If you want to install any of these, like I said, you can just copy the command or just click on view details if you need to find more information on it. What I'd always recommend is just checking the code here, right? Checking the code, seeing what the skill says, making sure it's secure, running it through Claude, checking that you're happy with it before installing anything. So just to recap, what is Claude Code Templates? So Claude Code is a tool made by Anthropic, the company behind Claude. It lets you use Claude directly inside your computer's terminal. It's like an AI coding assistant, right? Now, Claude Code Templates is a separate project, not made by Anthropic, made by a developer. It gives you a massive library of ready-made configurations for Claude Code. There's over 100 templates, all free, all open source, right? And anyone can use them. It's like basically having, like for example, Samar says, yes, but there are skills, and then we have Claude agents, so which one to select? So Claude will automatically pick the right skills based on the task for you. And you can see an example of the visual development here. So Claude will automatically pick the task for you based on the skills you've got installed. But you want to think of it this way, right? So Claude Code is like a brand new smartphone. Claude Code Templates is like an app store of free apps you can instantly install on that phone. So that's the difference between skills and Claude Code. Now, if you're wondering who is this for, it's for anyone who uses Claude Code and wants to like save time or get AI agents that specialize in tasks or connect Claude to other tools or automate repetitive tasks and monitor the AI coding sessions. Bear in mind, there's a new update inside Claude Code now as well, where you can actually automate scheduled tasks as well. So a lot of these tasks and these skills that you install, you can then say, okay, schedule this to work every day at 5 a.m., right? And like you can see, you can schedule these tasks in Claude Code Desktop, leave it running in the background, and then it can automate tasks for you using some of these skills that you've installed. Now, if we wanted to have a look at the visual manager itself, what we can actually do here is if we go to the agent team section, you can see an example of it working, right? So you've basically got an agent and you're orchestrating three main agents: the front-end developer, the back-end developer, and the QA engineer, right? And then you can see there the tasks, the tools they're working with, what's been sent, what's been received, and then the end, right? So you can visualize your sub-agents and your agent teams much better now. Because if you were just to have a look inside the chat, obviously you can see right here it's quite messy, right? This visual orchestrator is much more manageable. It's much more easy to really figure out. And then in terms of the 6 types of components inside here, so you've got agents, your specialist team, you've got commands, you've got MCPs that you can connect to different tools, settings, hooks, and skills as well. If you want to install any of these, you just run this template, as you can see, and that will open up an interactive menu, and then you can just browse through everything that you need. So that's basically it. That is how to make Claude Code 10 times more powerful. Just to recap, Claude Code Templates is a free open source library of 100 ready-made configurations. For example, like the agent teams visualizer, it gives you agents, commands, MCPs, settings, hooks, and skills. You install everything with a single terminal command. It also includes analytics, conversation monitors, health checks, and a plugin dashboard. It's 22,000 stars on GitHub, and you can browse everything visually at this link or this link as well, right? And you basically go from like Claude Code with no setup to Claude Code with a team of full AI specialists and automations in literally seconds. So, if you use Claude Code without this, you're basically leaving a ton of power on the table. So thanks so much for watching. If you want to get all the video notes from today, you can get that inside the AI Profit Boardroom. We had daily updates inside here, including this 6-hour course on OpenClaw and another one right here. You can see that today we've added a new update on Claude Code scheduled tasks, as well as Claude Code skills. And every day we update this community with new guides, new templates, new tutorials, and new videos, as you can see. Now, this is my AI automation community, the AI Profit Boardroom. It shows you how to save time, scale, and grow with automation. It's available, link in the comments description, or go to the aiprofitboardroom.com, and you can see inside the community, you can ask questions, get help, get support. There's always people online, which is awesome as well. And you can see it's a really active community with lots of cool questions and lots of people sharing awesome stuff. Inside the calendar, you can get weekly video calls, so you can jump on video calls, get help, get support in real time. Inside the classroom, you can get all of my best training. So for example, you can go from beginner to expert in just 5 weeks and learn how to build your first AI agent in under 5 minutes. You can also, for example, get our best playbooks on how to automate AI avatar videos, Instagram, Shorts, Twitter, emails, everything else. And then also inside the SOP update section, you can see here that this is where we drop the new guides daily. So everything that comes out, we look at all of it and we're like, right, okay, this is the best thing to focus on right now. And we create a new guide for it. And then we also show you how to get more clients for the agency course. You can watch about the video coaching calls over here. You can learn how to rank #1 with AI SEO inside this section. And you can learn how to grow a YouTube channel with AI inside the classroom as well. So that's all inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Feel free to get it, link in the comments description, or just go to the aiprofitboardroom.com. Thanks for watching.